process 2025. If you want to select for the Accenture, then you have to follow these steps here. They are providing the very first step is the cognitive and technical assessment, coding round, communication assessment, and the interview round. Okay. Coming to the cognitive and technical assessment, this is the first round, and actually this is the elimination round. If you are not qualified this round, then they will not allow for the coding, communication, as well as the interview round. In the case of the cognitive point of view, they will provide the 90 questions from the cognitive, 50 core. These are the 90 questions from the cognitive and technical assessment. For these 90 questions, the time limit is the 90 minutes. Okay. From the cognitive, they are asking the 50 questions, and from the technical point of view, they are asking the 40 questions. Okay. Total, we are having the 90 questions to solve in the 90 minutes. Okay. And this is the elimination round. Okay. Here I am clearly mentioning that you need to clear the first round in order to attempt the coding assessment. To attempt the second round, we have to go with the first round. We have to clear the first round. Coming to the cognitive point of view, and this is the questions for the English ability, they are giving the 17 questions. Critical reasoning and problem solving, they are giving the 18 questions. Abstract reasoning, 15 questions. Means from the cognitive section, total 50 questions. The 50 questions are divided like this one. English ability, 17 marks. Critical reasoning and problem solving, 18 marks. And abstract reasoning, 15 marks. Okay. Coming to the technical point of view, we are having the 40 questions. In these 40, the first 12 questions are from the common application and the MS Office. Okay. They are asking all the basic related of the MS Office. And the second one is the pseudocode. They will give the pseudocode and they are asking the what is out for this program. Okay. After that, we are having the network security and cloud. For this one, they are providing the 10 questions. It's totally 40 questions from the technical section. From the technical, they are giving only 40 only, whereas the cognitive point of view, 50 questions. And the duration is the 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes, we have to solve all these questions. Whenever the first round is completed, then they are allowed for the second round. The second round is the coding round. In the coding round, we can select the any language. It may be the C or a C++ or a .NET or a Java or Python. They will provide the two questions. In these two questions, one question must be completely executed and one is a partially executed. In this point of they will allow. The time duration is 45 minutes. And coming to the syllabus point of view, for the English ability and for the first one, for the English ability, we are having the syllabus like this one. Synonyms and antonyms, they may be asked the roughly 3 to 4 questions. And for the error detection and sentence correction, 3 to 4 questions. Para jumbles, 2 questions. Reading comprehension, 3 questions. Sentence completion, fill in the blanks, 2 to 3 questions. Sentence improvement, 2 to 3 questions. Okay. This is the syllabus and these are the approximate number of questions here for each and every chapter. Coming to the critical reason and problem solving syllabus is the data arrangement, flowcharts, data sufficiency, argument and assumption, syllogism, and statement and conclusion. Data arrangement point of view 7 to 8 questions. Flowchart 2 to 3 questions. Data sufficiency 1 to 2 questions. And argument and assumption 2 to 3 questions. Syllogisms 2 to 3 and conclusion 2 to 3. And these are the approximate number. This is not confirmed approximately. The rough number of questions here. In the case of the critical reasoning and problem solving. Coming to the abstract reasoning. In the case of abstract point of view, number and letter series, 3 to 4 questions. Odd man out. Which they will give a series and we have find the odd man out. For this one, they are putting the 2 to 3 questions. And analogies, 2 to 3 questions. Coding and decoding, and 3 to 4 questions. And visual reasoning, 4 to 5 questions. If the visual is they are putting the pictures. Based on the pictures, we have to find the appropriate answer. Coming to the technical point of view, the technical we are having only 40 questions only. In this 41, common applications and the MS Office. Means they will ask all the MS Office basics. Means Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. Okay. They will ask all the basics, and they are placing the browser fundamentals like the what is HTTP, what is www, and all the browser fundamentals. Okay. How the data will be transferred, and they are asking all the shortcut keys. Means what is the shortcut key to save the file, and what is the shortcut key to copy the data. What is shortcut key to jump from one place to another place. Okay? And they are asking the command prompt documents as well as the working flow of the keys here. Okay? This is the MS Office syllabus. Coming to the network syllabus point of view, they are asking all the basics only. Basics of networking, network security, encryption standards and algorithms, network security devices, attack types, and firewalls. Okay? And they are asking the what is the public key encryption, what is the private key encryption, what is the size of each and every key, what is the difference of public key and private key, okay? And what are the different types of attacks are there, what is a passive attack and what is an active attack, like those questions. Coming to the cloud point of view, they are asking all the fundamentals of the cloud basics as well as the client server architecture and cloud data centers. What are the data centers providing the cloud here? And cloud service providers, cloud platforms. What is the source? What is the PaaS? What is IaaS? What are services of the source? What are services of the PaaS? What are services of the IaaS here? And this is the syllabus of the cloud point of view. And this is the completely technical. For the technical, they are asking the 40, and whereas the non-technical means cognitive point of view, 50 questions. Okay? In the 90 questions, the 90 minutes is the time. If you clear this round, then you are going for the second round, which is the coding round. Okay? And this is the pseudocode syllabus. Program fundamentals, looping, arrays, recursion, functions, bitwise operators, including different operators, condition statement based on the data structures. Coming to the coding point of view, they are providing the two questions, and all these are the difficult level only. Okay. Here the salary package is 4.5 and the 6.5. Okay. And the time limit is 45 minutes. And these are the basic languages which we have to know. And these are basic topics: data structures, gradient driving, programming, hashing, and the mapping. And whenever we clear the code, then they are also the communication testing role. And this is not the elimination role. Testing role is in this one they are asking the reading questions, 8 notes, listening and repeat 16 questions, and question and answering 24 questions, sentence jumble and sentence builds 10 questions, storytelling 3 questions, speaking 2 questions. But this is not the elimination role. Okay? Once we clear this round, next we will go for the last round, which is the interview round. Okay. In the interview round, they are asking only the all the we are having the two rounds out there in the interview also, HR round and the technical round. In the HR round, they are asking the tell about yourself, why you are selecting our company, uh, what is salary you are expecting, and in which location you will be willing to work. Okay. Like the HR questions. Okay. If you're coming to the technical point of view, based upon the resume only, they will ask the questions. Okay. What is a thread? What is a multi-threading? And how much efficient in the Java language? Okay. Whether you are willing to learn other language also. Like the questions, they will ask in the case of the technical point of view. Once the technical round is cleared, after the 10 days, they will send one mail regarding your selection. This is the selection process of the Accenture. The very first one is the cognitive and technical assessment. This is the elimination round. You have to clear this round. After that only you will go for the coding round. In the coding, they will ask the two questions. One we have to fill the fulfilled means one we have to get the output and one is a partial. In the case of the communication assessment point of view, means if we are clearing this one, then we go for the communication assessment. This is the third round. This is not the elimination round. Once communication is completed, you will go for the interview. This is the selection process of the Accenture. Thank you.